Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Jose here with us today. And Jose is a track star for the University of Houston, shot put and hammer, right?
Correct.
Yep. And he was doing some warm-up exercises yesterday?
Yes.
And he injured his lower back and SI joint that the pain's now going all the way down into your calf, right?
Correct.
And so it's really important for athletes, as any kind of athlete, pro football player, wrestler, track stars, anybody, to warm up properly and warm down properly. And the one thing you did first, you said bothered it, was you went running first, right?
Correct.
And see, that's a lot of compressive trauma in the joint. So that's why he's got this. It's really a strain that's created a lumbosacral subluxation and sacroiliac subluxation. So we're going to go ahead and adjust him, get him out of pain so he can get back on the field. Let's take a look at your posture here now, Jose. Flex your hip forward and then backwards. And then neutral. Yep. I see his head's translated a little bit to the left. Pelvis is shifted to the right of center. Those are both compensatory to his lumbosacral strain. Okay. Probably had a hard time working out after that, huh?
Yeah, well, it didn't work out.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay, but you're going to today, so let's go ahead and get you fixed up. And Jose set 2 personal records in track at the University of Houston this last week, right?
Yes, cool. 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. In shot put and hammer, right?
Correct.
There we go. Let's slide up just a little bit more. A little bit more where your pelvis is right underneath that pin. There you go. We are getting us a wireless microphone, so that'll help. It was a little loud on the one that we did the other day. You know, the best chiropractic adjustment in the world is the ones that work. It is.
Yeah, it's true.
There we go. Feel that all the way down, Jose?
Yep.
Good deal. See, Jose, he can take anything and he's still. Okay. That's it. Excellent. So, we're going to get very specific on his sacroiliac joint and lumbosacral joint with this next adjustment. Okay, let me help you sideways here, my friend. There we go. Yes, sir. Let me get the paper up for you. Okay. I injured my low back yesterday or day before yesterday evening, adjusting 2 big football players. Before I went home, we were packed all day on Tuesday, and then the last 2 that we have are over 300 pounds. There you go. And by the time I got home, I could barely get out of the car. So I know what these things feel like. I had Joseph working on me this morning first thing. There. There. There's L5. L4. L3. Now I'm going to get back on his sacrum, which is the middle triangular shape bone in his pelvis, on the right side and the left side, and then straight down the middle. Legs are even now. Tell me if this hurts in your low back, Jose.
Just a
Low on the right side?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm going to put some deep, steady pressure in here just to relax this muscle a little bit, and then he's going to see Joseph afterwards. And we are going to get some more videos of Joseph. We're working on getting us a tripod to put in there. But my camera is too big to fit in the tripod we have. So we're going to get some new video equipment, new mic, upgrade our quality going forward here by the time we get back. We're going to be out of the office all next week, by the way, for postgraduate education. There you go. That's it. You know, there's a lot of different chiropractic techniques out there. There's Palmer package, which I use a lot of. There's BioPhysics, which I definitely do a lot of. There's Donstead, Thompson. Some of you did mention KST. I really don't know that much about KST. There we go. There we go. Does this feel any easier at all, Jose?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, because we got such big muscles and these had some strain in here, we're going to relax these muscles and do strain. High frequency on that too. You know, here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, we just get people feeling better as soon as possible and release them on their own accord. We don't put people on big long treatment programs 3 times a week for 3 months or 6 months or a year and charge them $10,000 for that. And those chiropractors that do, just watch out, because that's mostly they want your money, not your health and wellness. We try to get people the best results as soonest and most efficient way possible. That's both cost effective and also people don't, you know, you got better things to do than spend 3 times a week in here all the time, especially in Houston with the traffic. You feel that one, huh?
Yeah.
This high-speed vibration creates a significant frequency down into the soft tissues that helps to break down fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue and helps the injured muscles and ligaments heal up quicker as well. I'm doing it right on his right SI joint now, lumbosacral joint right here, and then left SI joint right here. Which leg was it going now? The right one. So we're going to follow the path of that sciatic nerve going down his posterior thigh into his gastrocnemius calf muscle. There's 2 muscles in the calf. There's the gastrocnemius and soleus. The gastrocnemius is here on the outside, the big one, and then the soleus right here on the inside, and that's big on Jose too because he works it out a lot. And he needs those legs to get a good throw on the hammer and the shot put, right, Jose?
Yeah.
You do a lot of leg workouts too, don't you?
Yeah.
Is this right where the numbness and the pain was?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Okay. All right, Jose, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Yeah, see, he's moving around here now. We're still gonna do an adjustment on his pelvis from the anterior today. I'll be adjusting from the anterior superior iliac spine right here in the front of the pelvis. There we go. The right one's a little worse. There we go. Okay. Just relax this one right here. Oh, nope, that's not it. There you go. Feel that one more?
Yeah.
In your knee and your back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. That was a good one. Okay, let's sit you up and face this way toward Joseph. I'm going to get that shot put arm here lined up. When Jose first came in with us, he was having problems with his hands.
Yeah.
And thumb and grip. But we've got that pretty well under control, don't we?
Yeah. No pain now.
Yep. Set a personal best. That's a good deal. This is all about performing for the patients as well as them performing at their highest level, peak performance as well, especially if they're athletes. I think you told me you got a big tournament coming up too, don't you?
Yeah. Next week we got a
Yeah.
conference.
Good. Okay, let's stand up in front of the mirror here. Okay, let's flex your head forward and backwards again. Good range of motion there. Your head's much more centered down. This is also centered. But let's pull these up and back. Bring that head up and back. And adjust your atlas right here on the x-axis. What this does, you guys keep asking questions about this. This sends messages into the cerebellum so that we can recalibrate the neuromuscular re-education process. Go ahead and flex forward and backwards again. That should have felt a little smoother.
Yeah, it did.
Good deal. All right, so this is your Houston chiropractor from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and go Cougars.
Hey, go
We'll
Cougars.
see you next time.